The Arambai Tengol (AT) and the United National Liberation Front (UNLF) have understanding regarding the present conflict. A joint statement issued by the Robin Mangang PRO, AT and Chairarongba Thokchom, Media Coordinator DOP, UNLF said that after a thorough talk between the leaders of AT and UNLF, an agreement has been signed today. It was agreed that both the parties shall not create anything that will cause misunderstanding. It was agreed that both parties will jointly maintain the territorial integrity of Manipur. It was agreed to set up a working committee to immediately resolve controversy between the two groups, if any. The two groups will jointly fight for the motherland, Manipur. It was also agreed that both the parties will safeguard the properties and life of civilians. The joint statement appealed the people of Manipur to extend cooperations to the agreement between the two groups.